I'm recording.
Dude,
It's recording.
Okay.
That's Ray Ray all day.
You guys, I'm about to eat this.
King. Wait, hold on. No, that's the hottest hot wings ever. But Ray, he could handle it. He's a beast. Oh my gosh. This has got that what's that hottest stuff called that you put on it? No, that stuff that didn't you put some of that stuff from that hottest stuff ever, remember?
Yeah.
What is
Habanero sauce.
It's that one, yeah, it's that crazy shit, man.
Why are you cussing?
Stuff. I got a. Oh, you're a beast, dude. Yeah, you're a beast. Man, that's like a 6th, 7th, 8th one.